Good morning, friends. Today's class it is yesterday's class continuation. And my dear students, in the previous class regarding to regarding to root words and their meanings, in this topic, I have already explained you in the previous class nearly 19 root words, and then in today's class from 20 to 20 number 20 to 40, that means 21 root words I will explain you in this session. All of you listen carefully, and my dear students, the root words are basically, we should know, if we know the meaning of root words, we should learn more and more vocabulary regarding to all the vocabulary parts. That is my humble request to all of you. Okay, let us start the root words from 20 onwards. These are all have been explained by me, and in the screen all of you seen the root words from 20. Okay, here this is the pod 21, 20 pod. Here the word pod, screen very small. Okay, thank you, very good. This one is pod. Pod means the root word. What is the meaning of pod? Foot. Foot. The example words, which is the prefix. Here the root words may come either prefixes or suffixes, but in this word pod comes as a suffix. The root word pod with the prefix, with the suffix, that word pseudopod. What is the meaning of pseudopod? False foot. That means pain in the sole of foot. False foot. That is the meaning of a pseudopod. Pseudopod. The other words, some of the words, pododynia, cephalopod, brachiopod, stomatopod. That means here one word is there, ped, P-E-D, ped. Ped also one of the meaning. Ped means it is also meaning foot. The root word ped, it does meaning, it indicates the meaning foot also. That means some more vocabulary we should learn through the ped. Biped, biped, centipede, biped, biped and centipede. And pedal, with pedal for the cycle, we put the foot there, pedal. And then pedicure, 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 manicure. Next, quadruped, quadruped, quadruped. These are the examples of ped, ped and pod. Pod means foot, the meaning of foot. Ped means also foot. Both are same, synonyms. Pod, ped. And then we go to the in this session, second word, that means 20th word in this session, psycho. P-S-Y, P is a silent. We should pronounce that word. Psycho means mind. Psycho means mind. And then here the word psychology. 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 And then what is the definition of the psychology? They have given. What is the definition of the psychology? Study of the mind in any of its aspects. That means the psychology is a science. It is one of the subject. It is the psychology means the scientific study of the human mind. Psycho means mind, the human mind, and its functions, the functions of the mind, especially those affecting behavior in the given context. That is the full definition of the psychology. Psychology means it is the study of the mind, mind's works, and the mind how it affects the behavior. This is the meaning of the psychology. The derived words psycho, psychomotor, psychogenic, psychologic or psychological, psychopaths, psychodrama, psychopathy. These are the derived words. Psycho, you should remember the mind. Based on that, we should understand a related vocabulary also. And then we go to the next root word. What is that one? Next root word. Here on the screen, all of you should see pyro. Pyro means fire. Pyro means fire. And pyrometer. Pyrometer, that means the definition of pyrometer, an instrument, it is a tool. An instrument for measuring temperatures. That is called pyrometer. Pyro means fire. An instrument for measuring high temperatures, especially in furnaces and kilns. Furnaces and kilns. K-I-L-N-S, kilns. It is a type of remote sensing thermometer. Pyrometer means it is a type of remote sensing thermometer. For what purpose it is using? Used to measure the temperature of distant objects. It is used to measure the temperature of distant objects. That is the meaning of pyrometer. And the derived words pyro, pyromagnetism, pyrocatalysis, pyrosomal disease, pyrorus, pyromagnetism. These are the words derived from the root word pyro. And then we move on to the next word, script. What is the meaning of the script? Script. Here the script is write, a manuscript, handwritten. Manuscript, handwritten. That means a script handwriting. Script means handwriting, distinct from, it is different from print written characters. That means the written text, handwriting written text of a play or a film or broadcast, manuscript or document, the text of manuscript, the text of document, that is called handwritten manuscript. And then the related words we should understand and listen carefully. Postscript, unscript, transcript. This is the suffix. The root word comes in these main words as suffixes, as a suffix. That is the meaning of the script. Script means write. And then next word, what is the root word in this class? In this session, we will discuss the next word, terra. 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 Terra means earth. Terra means earth. The main word terrace. Terrace. This is the phonetic script I should write here. Terrace. What is the meaning of the terrace? Terrace means, it comes that the root word terra. Terrace means a raised platform on the earth. A raised platform. A raised platform on the earth. And that means a level paved area next to a building, each of series of flat are areas made on slope used for cultivation. Terra means it is a relatively paved or planted and adjoining a building. A flat roof or open platform, it is called terra. Terrace. It is called a terrace. One more word, terrain. What is the meaning of terrain? Terrain. Terrain. Terrain means a piece of ground or having specific characteristics or military potential. That is called terrain. These are the one more word, terrain or terrace. Both words come from the root word terra. Terra means earth. And then next we move on to the next word, thermo. What is the meaning of thermo? Thermo means heat. Thermometer. Thermometer, T-H-E-R, thermometer, M-E-T-R-E. This is the British spelling. That should we follow, the students. M-E-T-R-E, thermometer. Thermometer, what is the meaning of thermometer? Thermometer, instrument for measuring heat. That is the simple definition. Thermometer. Thermometer means an instrument for measuring and indicating temperature. Indicating temperature. Some more words. Hypothermia. Hypothermia. And thermometry. Thermometry. Endothermia. Endothermia. These are the other words from the root word thermo. Thermo means heat. And then next, move on to the next word, zoo. We have already known this word. Zoo means animal, and zoology. The derived word zoology means the study of animals, animal kingdom. Zoology means the scientific study of the behavior, the psychology or physiology, a classification and a distribution of animals. It is related to animals, zoology. Zoology is related, it is a major subject in the biological science, zoology or biology. This one is zoology. Zoology is scientific study of the behavior, a structure, physiology, a classification and distribution of animals. We already frequently we have been seen while reading any text, flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. What is the meaning of flora and fauna? Flora means the plants of particular region, that is called flora. It is related to plants. Fauna. Fauna, what is the meaning of the fauna? The animals of the particular region. This is the fauna, animal kingdom, related to animal kingdom. Flora related to plants, particular region. Zoo means animal. Zoology, scientific study of about the animals. This is one of the subject. And then we go to the next, common prefixes. All these prefixes, there are two words are there, anti, both are same pronunciation. ante, anti, anti, anti. The first one, the meaning is before. Anti means against. Against. Here they have given the word antebellum. Do you know the meaning of the bellum? Bellum means war. Ante means before. Before war. Antebellum means before war. Antebellum means before war. Here, ante. Ante means, what is the meaning of ante? Before. Meaning of ante is before. Bellum means war. Antebellum means before war. Anti-liquid. Anti, it is occurring, the war is occurring, existing behavior, a particular war, especially the civil war. For example, antedate, ante, antedate. We should not write anti-ti. Anti-ti, anti means against, not before. Antedate means before date, in previous date. That means we should write the spelling ante, antedate. Antenna, anterior, anterior, antenna, anterior. These are the derived words from the prefix anti, ante. Whereas the another word, the next word is anti, anti. Anti means antifreeze. They have written antifreeze. Antifreeze. Antifreeze means liquid used to guard against freezing. Against freezing, anti-feed. Anti-direction. It is a Antonyms prefixes, these are called antonyms prefixes, A-N-T-A. Antonym prefixes, anticlimax, antisocial, antibiotic, antiseptic. These are the words. Anti means has negative meaning. Antifreeze means a liquid, typically one based on ethylene glycol that we added to water. Why should we add it to water, ethylene glycol? To lower the freezing point. That is the meaning. Chiefly it is used in the radiator of a motor vehicles. This is called antifreeze. This is called antifreeze. Anti is a prefix. It is a prefix used for change the word into antonym, from synonym to antonym. Anti-direction, anticlimax, antisocial. These are the words. And then next we move on to another main word, important word, auto. What is the meaning of auto? Auto means self, automatic. Automatic means automatic, self-acting, self-regulating. That is the meaning of auto. You should remember the root word auto means self. Autobiography, written by life history, written by himself, not anyone. A life history written by himself. Automatic, automobile, autocracy. Autocracy means, what is the meaning of autocracy? Autocracy, A-U-T-O-C-R-A-C-Y. Autocracy. Autocracy means a government where one person has the power over the others. That is one of the government. Autocracy means. And then the important word, the root word is bene. Bene means good. Bene means good. Here the word has given benefit. What is the meaning of the benefit? Benefit means the act of kindness or gift. Benefit. Benefit, the derived words, some more words, beneficiary. Who is beneficiary? What is the meaning of beneficiary? Beneficiaries or beneficiary. Beneficiary means someone eligible to receive distribution from a trust or from a government. That is called beneficiary. Anyone who gains, beneficiary means anyone who gains, beneficiary. Beneficiary. Beneficiary means anyone who gains, acquire, receive an advantage and profits from something. That is called beneficiary. Benevolence, a benediction, beneficence. These are the other words from the root word bene. All words, the meanings it is not possible to explain. I will explain some of the words, and other words you should refer the dictionary and understand and grasp the meaning of the other words, my dear students. And then next we move on to the next base word and prefix, the root word circum. What is the meaning of this circum? Circum means Around, around, around. Circum means around. Circumscribe. Here the word is circumscribe. What is the meaning of circumscribe? Circumscribe, to draw a line around, to encircle, to draw a line, circumscribe. Circumscribe, restrict something within limits, combine or limit. It traces a restriction. Circumscribe, and on all sides and by clearly defined boundaries. That is a circumscribe. To draw a line or around, to encircle. Circumflex, one more word, circumflex. Circumure, circumduet, circumduce. These are the other derived words from the prefix circum. And then next word is contra. Contra. Contra means against. Contradict, against. Contra means against. Contradict. Contradict, to speak against. Contradict. The meaning of contradict, to speak against. That means we deny the truth of statement by asserting. We are opposite. Assert the opposite of a statement. Contradict means we assert opposite of statement that is made by someone. Be in conflict with. That is the meaning of contradiction. Contrabass, contraband. These are the words. Contra means you should remember opposite and opposing. Against, against. This is the meaning of the contradict. Contradict, to speak against. You should remember always contra means against. And then the root word D. This is the prefix D. Negative prefix D. What is the meaning of D? A reverse, a remove. Here the defoliate, one important word has been from the prefix D, a root word D, defoliate. What is the meaning of the defoliate? Defoliate means to remove the leaves from a tree. That is the meaning of defoliate. D means, what is the meaning of D? D means, we should know the meaning of the D. Reverse or remove. D means remove. That means remove. Defoliate means remove the leaves from a tree. Remove leaves from a tree or a plant or areas of land for the agricultural purposes. That is a defoliate. As a military tactic, that is the defoliate. Leaves from a tree or a plant, areas of land for agricultural purposes also, it is called defoliate. Decamp, this is one more word. And then we move on to the dis. Both the two words are the same pronunciation. Dis, dys, dis, dis, dis. First one is apart. Dis means apart. Apart. Apart means apart. It is a negative word. A negative word, negative prefix. We should the word change from positive to negative, like, dislike, connect, disconnect, honest, dishonest, large, dislodge. This is the negative prefix. We should pray more and more words, negative words. But here the meaning is dislocate. One of the word has given. Dislocate. Dislocate means to unlodge. To force, for example, to force a bone suddenly out of its correct position. It moves out of its proper position. That means the negative opposite prefix. This one is dis, means dis, dis. And then next dys, dis. Dys, dis means bad, dysfunctional. Dysfunctional, not to function properly. Dysfunctional means not functioning properly. That is the, you should remember the spelling also. Dys, dis. Dys, dis means bad. Bad, away from. Sorry. Order, disorder. Order, disorder. Malfunction. This means abnormal. Malfunction, disruption, dysfunctioning. These are the meaning of this. Malfunction, malfunctioning, disorder, failure, miscarriage. This means breakdown, not operating normally or properly. That is the meaning of the dis. Dysfunctional means unable to deal adequately normal social relations. The other words is dysplasia, dyspepsia, dysphonia, dystrophia. These are the related words derived from bad, dis means bad. And then the word ecto, E-C-T-O, ecto. Ecto means, ecto. This is a foreign descriptive, ecto. Ecto means outside. Ectoparasite. Ectoparasite. What is the meaning of the ectoparasite? Parasite living on the exterior of animals. That is the meaning of ectoparasite. Ecto means outer, external, outside. Ectoderm. In biology, the outermost ectoderm means. In biology, ectoderm, the outermost of tissue layer. Ectogamy. What is the meaning of ectogamy? Ectoparasite. They have given the ectoparasite. Parasite living on the exterior of animals. A parasite that lives on or the skin, but not within the body. Parasite. What is the meaning of parasite? The meaning of parasite, an organism that lives in or an organism of another species. Another species lives on an another organism of another species. That is the parasite. That is the meaning of the parasite. Ectoparasite. Ectoplasm, the outer part of the cytoplasm. Ectoplasm. Ectoderm. The meaning of ecto is outer, external, outside. That is, you should remember. And then endo. Endo means within. Endogamy. Endogamy means marriage with the tribe. Gamy means marriage. Endogamy. Gamy means marriage. Endo means within. Endogamy. Endo means within or internal or inside. The custom of marrying only within the units of a local community or clan or tribe. That is full definition of endogamy. Endogamy means the custom of marrying only within the limits of a local community or local clan or local tribe. A marriage or union, endo means. Here the other words, heterogamy. What is the meaning of heterogamy? Marriage between people from different sociological or educational background. That is called ectogamy. Ectogamy. Polygamy. What is the poly means many. Poly. Poly means many. What is the meaning of poly? Poly means many. Polygamy. Gamy means marriage. The practice of custom of having more than one wife or one husband at the same time. The woman may be one husband, the man may be one wife. One wife is not a more than one wife, more than one husband. That is polygamy. Poly means more than one. Only one means monogamy. Monogamy. Mono means single. Monogamy. The practice of custom having only one wife or husband at a time is called monogamy. More than one means polygamy. These are the words. Endogamy. Endo means within, internal, inside. That is the meaning of endo. And means ex. Two meanings are there. Out. Excavate. Excavate. Excavate to dig out. Excavate to dig out. What is the meaning of the excavate? The meaning of excavate. The meaning of excavate, out of, away. Ex means out, forth, exclude. The words exclude, exhale, eject, export, export, export. The meaning of excavate, excavate is also used. Make a hole or a channel by a digging to remove earth carefully from area in order to find buried remains. That is excavate, buried remains. Archaeology department. Excavate means make a hole or a channel by digging. What is the main purpose by digging? Remove earth carefully from area. Why? In order to find buried. We should pronounce this word buried. B-U-R-I-E-D. It is many students are pronounced this one buried. Buried is a wrong pronunciation. We should pronounce buried. Excavate means remove a hole in the channel or digging, remove earth carefully from area in order to find buried remains. Buried remains. To dig out. That is the meaning of to dig out. And then next we move on to the ecto. Already these are completed. And X, another meaning is there. What is the meaning of that one? X means X means, X is also mean, used to mean former, not a farmer. Former. Former means, formerly has been ex-member. Ex-member means former member. He has previously done that position. Ex-MP, ex-headmaster, ex-student, former students. That is another meaning, means ex. And next, the next word. What is the next word? Equi. Equi means, the root word equi means equal. Equi means equal. Equidistant. What is the meaning of the word equidistant? Equidistant means equal distance. Equal distance. Equally distant a location from two major cities. That is the equal. Equi means equal. Equal distance means equally distant a location from two major cities. And equimolecule. Other words, equation, equivalent, equilateral. These are the other derived words from the root word equi. And next root word is extra. Extra means beyond. Extraterrestrial. The word is extraterrestrial, beyond the earth. Beyond the earth, extraterrestrial. Extraterrestrial, beyond the earth. Sorry, it one. Here, extraterrestrial means beyond the earth. What is the meaning of the extraterrestrial? Extra means beyond or outside. Beyond or outside. Extraterrestrial means coming from a place or outside, the existing, organizing, occurring outside of the earth. That is the beyond. Extraterrestrial means from outside of the earth or its atmosphere. That is extraterrestrial. Existing outside of the earth and originating outside of the earth, occurring outside of the earth. That is called extraterrestrial. What is the other words? Extraordinary. The prefix extraordinary. Extrasensory. Extrapolate, extraneous. These are the derived words from root word. Extra means beyond. Extra means beyond. That is, we have completed nearly 40 words up to this one in this session. My dear students, you should concentrate and you should gather. You should refer the dictionary and study the dictionary. What are the these words, these root words, the meaning of the root word, and that root words we should prepare the more and more words and their meanings also we study. Then only we are able to write vocabulary part. Whatever the topics are given, we are able to write in the examination also. And if you are given in the question paper as a reading comprehension, the reading comprehension as also you should understand thoroughly and write the appropriate answer for the given questions also. Thank you, everybody. We will meet again in the next class. It is the second part. Yesterday I have completed first part, 20 words. one word has been missed, and 19 words I have explained. Today I have explained 21 words. That means I have completed from 1 to 40 words in 2 sessions, part 1 and part 2. Thank you one and all. Goodbye.